To use the audio system, first turn on accessory power or start the engine. Next, press the power volume knob to turn the system on. Then, press the audio button to view the audio screen. The on-screen left and right arrow buttons allow you to scroll through your presets. There are a total of 36 presets that can store a mix of AM, FM, and satellite radio stations. To avoid cycling through empty presets, you can limit the number shown. To adjust, press the Setup button. Next, select Audio. Choose Number of Radio Presets and select the number of presets you'd like to view. To change the audio sources, select Source on the touchscreen. The sources include FM, AM, satellite radio, disc, shadowed icon indicate the source is not currently active, USB, iPod, Bluetooth streaming audio, an auxiliary device if connected, AV source, and rear. You can also use the Mode button on the steering wheel to step through the various sources. Press the Source button. Now let's select FM and program a preset. Use the tuning knob on the center console. Tune to a favorite station. Next, select the preset you'd like to set. Then, press and hold it. The station will appear in the preset, and you'll hear a beep as a confirmation the system has saved your settings. To adjust sound quality on the audio source playing, select the on-screen Sound button. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust treble, mid-range, and bass levels. Press the front or rear to adjust the fade. And left or right buttons to adjust the balance. Pressing the Digital Signal Processing, or DSP tab, allows you to turn the automatic sound levelizer on or off, and surround sound on or off. Press the back arrow to return to the audio screen, and your settings will automatically save. To load a CD or DVD into the audio system, insert the CD or DVD into the slot, and it will load and start playing automatically. To eject the disc, press the Eject button. The audio system also features an auxiliary input and USB ports inside the center console. When using the USB port, you can control many of your iPod functions. Grace Note technology will display cover art, such as album jacket photos, and the names of the album and artist if they've been stored with the music file. This technology does not work with burned CDs